Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about negative sentences. Okay, so what are negative sentences? What do you understand by the word negative? Yes, negative means we are going to reject something only. Okay, so in a sentence, if I am telling you like I like this doll. Okay, this is a positive sentence only. I like this doll. Suppose if I am telling you I don't like this doll. I don't like this doll. It means I'm not liking this doll. Okay, right? So here I'm using not to deliver my dislike only. Okay, to deliver my dislike on this thing. So this when I'm telling you a sentence by using the word not means that sentence is called as the negative sentence. So what are negative sentences? Yes, when a sentence comes with not. When a sentence comes with the word not means it is a negative sentence only. Okay, so here you are going to learn how can we change the positive sentences into negative sentences. So how can we change the positive sentences into negative sentences? Okay, so there are two rules to make the positive sentence into the negative sentence. So how many rules to change the positive sentence into negative? Yes, there are two rules to change the positive sentence into negative sentence. So let's learn one by one. So we have already learned about the auxiliary verb, right? So this is this all in your book, which is in page number 54. Only it's all about in the chapter auxiliary verb only. So with the usage of auxiliary verb only, we are going to change the sentence into the negative sentence only. Okay, so what are auxiliary verbs? Yes, they are helping verbs, and we have learned three forms of auxiliary verb, that is be form, do form and have form. So with the usage of auxiliary verb, how can we make the positive sentence into negative, that we are going to learn. Okay, so already I said there are two rules to change into a negative sentence. Let's learn about the first rule first. Okay, so rule number 1, if a sentence comes with auxiliary verb and also with the main verb means, then you need to use this rule. Okay, if a sentence comes with the auxiliary verb as well as the main verb means you need to use this rule. So what is that rule? So if this is a positive sentence, see here I have written one example, that is I am reading a book now. I am reading a book now. Here I am telling you in a positive way only. I am telling you I am reading a book now. So how can I change into negative? See, there is a rule. Before that you need to check, is there any auxiliary verb here? Yes, am is an auxiliary verb, and also it has comes with the main verb, that is reading. So auxiliary verb and also the main verb are present means you will need to follow this rule, that is you need to write auxiliary verb first. After that you need to use not between the auxiliary verb as well as the main verb. So in a sentence, in between auxiliary verb and main verb, you need to write not to make it into a negative sentence. I hope you are getting me. See, in a sentence, if there is an auxiliary verb and also the main verb means, in between only you are going to add not to make it into negative. See, the rule is auxiliary verb plus not plus main verb. So first the subject will come as it is. I am going to tell you how to write. See, the subject will come as it is. Now I am going to write this sentence into negative. So I am reading a book now means it is a positive sentence. Now I am going to make it into negative. So I will come as it is. Am is an auxiliary verb and I am going to write here. After writing auxiliary verb, what I need to write? Yes, I need to write not. Then what I need to write? Main verb. So here the main verb is reading and auxiliary verb is am. So reading I need to write reading a book now. See, now just read out this sentence. I am not reading a book now. So here we have used this word not in between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. So when a sentence comes with the not means it is a negative sentence only. So now we have changed this positive sentence into a negative sentence only. So before changing a positive sentence to negative, you need to check whether there is an auxiliary verb and also the main verb. So that only in between you can write not. Okay. So you may ask me person has a auxiliary verb means what we can do. So there is a one more rule. So second rule is talking, it's going to tell us about if there is no auxiliary verb in a sentence means how can we make it into negative sentence. So in place of auxiliary verb, here we have used the auxiliary verb, same whatever auxiliary verb given in the sentence we will use as it is only. Suppose if there is no auxiliary verb in a sentence, so what we need to do? In place of auxiliary verb, we will use do form verb. We will use do form verb, that is what? Do, does or did. According to the time of the action, we are going to use these verbs only in place of auxiliary verbs. Okay. So this rule number 2, it tells us when there is no auxiliary verb in a sentence means we need to use do form verb to make it into the negative, but the word not will come in the sentence only. See here there is an example. Let's learn with the example. A mouse hops on my bed. A mouse hops on my bed. Here can you find any auxiliary verb? No auxiliary verb. Can you find any is, was, any be form verbs or do form verbs or have form verbs? No, there is no auxiliary verb, and there we can find only the main verb. We can find only the main verb, that is hop. Okay. So when there is no auxiliary verb, when there is no auxiliary verb, then we need to use do form verb in place of writing the auxiliary verb. For example, the subject will come as it is. Now I am going to change this sentence into the negative. Now let's see how it is going to be changed. A mouse, because it is a subject, so it will come as it is. After writing a mouse, I need to use do form verb. Okay. Before using do form verb, you need to find out whether this sentence is talk about the present time or the past time. So you can simply check the main verb. If the main verb is a present time means, then we can use do or does. If we talk about the past time, then we need to use did only. So here hops means it represents the present time only. Okay. So hops means a present time only, and we are talking about one mouse only. So when we are talking about the present time, singular noun means which verb we will use from the do form verb family? Do or does? Yes, we will use does only if we are talking about the singular noun. So here after writing a mouse, I need to write does. A mouse does. Then what I need to write? After writing do form verb, I need to write not. Not. Then what will come? Main verb. Here the main verb is hop. Hop on my bed. See, a mouse does not hop on my bed. This is the negative sentence. How? Here we can find the not in a sentence. See, a mouse hops on my bed is a positive sentence. Here we can't find any auxiliary verb. That is why we are applying this rule by using the do form verb. So here a mouse, it is a singular noun and it is talking about the present time only. That is why we have used does. Then after writing does, we need to write not to show the negative sentence. Then the main verb will come. Then on my bed, all other things will come as it is. Are you clear, children? So now a mouse hops on my bed is a positive sentence, and a mouse does not hop on my bed is the negative sentence. How can you find the negative sentence? Yes, if you find a word not in a sentence means that is a negative sentence only. Okay. And in some places, the auxiliary verb itself acts as the main verb, not an auxiliary verb. Are you getting me? In some places, auxiliary verb like have from verb and itself as the main verb. So in those places also we need to apply this rule only. I will give you one more example for it. We will consider this as first example, and this will be second example. I can say that she has 2 pens. She has 2 pens. So here the verb, you can see the verb has, right? So here has is an auxiliary verb, but in this place it's act as the main verb. You can't find any other main verb. Can you find any other main verb here? find any other main verb, any action words here? No. It means the verb has itself acting as the main verb only. So it means there is no auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb, then we need to use do form verb only. Now see, now this sentence is going to be changed as like she. It is the subject, so it will come as it is she. So instead of writing has, we need to use the do form verb first. So here has is the present time and it's talk about the one person only. So for the present time singular, which verb we need to use? Yes, does only. She does. After writing do form verb, what we need to write? We need to write not. She does not. Then the main verb. Here the main verb is has. But when we are using the auxiliary verb, the verb has, it's automatically change into have only. We need to write only have, not has. Have two pens. Clear children? She does not have two pens is the negative sentence. Remember that if the verb itself, the auxiliary verb itself act as the main verb means we need to use this formula only, this rule only, okay? Because here has is a main verb only, not an auxiliary verb. So when we find no auxiliary verb in a sentence, we need to find this, we need to apply this rule only. We need to use do form verb. Suppose in some places, suppose if I am telling you she has left the house, she has left the house. Here the verb has comes with the main verb. If the auxiliary verb comes with the main verb means we can apply the rule number 1. Okay, we need to use the auxiliary verb and then not and then only the main verb and all other things. Okay, so I hope you have learned with this video, children. So what do we understand from this topic negative sentence? Is negative sentences are nothing but if a sentence comes with the not, if it is talking about the negative thing about only like I dislike this book, I dislike this toy. If we are talking about like this means that is the negative sentences. And how can we change the negative sentence into how can we change the positive sentences into negative? There will be two rules, that is auxiliary verb. If a sentence has the auxiliary verb and also the main verb, we need to apply this formula, that is in between the auxiliary verb and main verb we need to use not. And if a sentence doesn't comes with an auxiliary verb means in place of auxiliary verb we will use do form verb. Okay, then all other thing will come as it is. So I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll see you in the next video by doing the book back exercise. Thank you.